So, you've seen the ads for the Beard Club T-Blade trimmer, and you're wondering, is this thing actually worth it, or am I about to get scammed? Let me break it down for you. Hands-on, no fluff. First off, the trimmer itself? It's not a scam. This thing feels solid right out of the box. I'm talking zero-gapped, titanium-coated blades that get super close for sharp lines, but somehow don't irritate my skin. The motor's a beast too, 7,200 RPM. That's enough power to cut through coarse beard hair without slowing down or tugging. Cordless and waterproof? Yup. I get up to 2 hours of runtime and I can rinse the whole thing under the faucet. No stress. Plus, with 4 guide combs, I can do fades, tapers, or just keep it simple. But let's talk real talk. User reviews are kind of split. A lot of people say it's the best trimmer they've ever owned. Precise, long-lasting battery, and totally worth the price. Customer service? Surprisingly responsive if you ever run into issues. Now, the downside. Some folks had trouble with the trimmer not being sharp enough for their specific beard type, or the blades heating up a bit too fast. And a few users did get nicks when using it straight out of the box. These blades are sharp, so go slow at first. But here's where the scam talk comes in. It's not about the trimmer, it's about the subscription. Some people ended up with extra charges from accidentally signing up for the company's product bundles or beard growth vitamins. Read the fine print and you'll dodge that bullet. Bottom line. The trimmer works, and works well for most people. Just watch those subscriptions and handle the blades with care. If you're not happy, there's a 365-day return policy, which is actually pretty solid. So, is the Beard Club T-Blade trimmer worth it? If you want sharp lines and a hassle-free trim, it's a yes from me. But keep your eyes open for those sneaky subscriptions.